This is part 2 of this series. When I bought this Mini, I made 3 really stupid mistakes. Will the launch engine scanner save the day? At the online auction, you can inspect the vehicle, start it but not drive it. I inspected the Mini, and while having a very dirty and unkept interior, I thought it would still be worth the money, which I intended to pay. The first mistake was that I didn't connect my engine skin tool before bidding for the car to check for possible problems. The second mistake was to not connect the engine scanner after winning the auction and having the Mini at home to identify any issues with the car.
I'm just wondering, is this leaving it down?
While driving the Mini, I noticed that after 15 to 20 minutes the engine seemed to be laboring and stalling at the traffic lights. So I made a decision to get it checked out by a motor mechanic. And hence the third mistake I made was to take the Mini to my local motor mechanic to have it checked out and possibly repaired. Without first connecting my engine scan tool. This is what the motor mechanic's diagnosis was. Please read it for yourselves. Finally, it's time to connect the launch engine scanner. Did I wait too long to do this, or will the launch engine scanner find what is wrong with my Mini?
In the heart of the city, the U City Function Center. Look now to ensure you don't...
The launch engine scanner is automatically finding the VIN number. Sorry, but trying to film the video and operate the scanner at the same time is tricky. The scanner has discovered the type of vehicle it is scanning, and now it is scanning the various components of the Mini. Now reading the vehicle data. Okay, success. The first issue discovered is 2 of the ignition coils are not operating normally. This triggered a whole lot of faults in the engine check light. Other items are indicated with a green tick, showing no problems. Now, while the fault codes have been cleared, the remaining task is to have the faulty parts replaced and then have the engine rescanned. Also, IT shouldn't be a big task to replace the 2 ignition coils, and the ABS sensors, and even the light globes, although the main issue affecting the performance of the Mini is the ignition coils. The next issue was with the ABS sensors on the 2 front wheels. They are not operating as they should be. This has also resulted in numerous errors and faults. The third main issue concerns the lights, high beam, and indicator lights. The details are as shown on the diagnostic trouble codes. Considering the ability of the motor mechanic to diagnose the Mini's problems in the initial instance, I think I will carry out the repairs myself. Thanks for watching part 2 of this series. detailing my adventures in carrying out my diagnosis of the problems with my Mini, and possible repairs. Part 3 hopefully will show that I have had success in the repair process and be driving my Mini around the streets in the spirit of the movie The Italian Job.